welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video guys is gumagawa po tayo ng fried chicken. So as you can see guys, marinate ko na po ang ating chicken wings. So ang chicken wings ko po is cut ko po into two, as in cut into two para mabilis po siya lutuin. So marinate ko na po with white pepper, so you can use black pepper, white pepper and light sauce and salt. In-rub ko po siya ng salt, tapos lagyan ko siya ng light sauce and cornstarch and white pepper. So yun po, then massage, and then ayan, marinate na po. I think is 30 minutes. Marinate ko na to ng 30 minutes. So let's start cooking po ng fried chicken. So if you like this video, just give me thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button. So tara na, at simulan na po natin. So meron po tayong egg. Bibit po natin ating egg. Then, ang ating flour, ilalagyan po na siya natin ng white pepper and salt para may lasa din po siya. Then, syempre, magsimula na po tayo magluto. Ididip lang po natin ang ating chicken sa ating egg and flour and then fried. That's it. As usual naman, lahat po naman tayo is marunong tayo magluto ng fried chicken. Homemade fried chicken at home. So, depende na lang po tayo kung anong klaseng ingredient o anong klaseng mga panlasa po yan sa ating. Depende po sa taste po natin. Pwede ang ating fried chicken is spicy, much better kasi masarap po ang spicy fried chicken. So, ayan po yung simple ways cooking ko, homemade fried chicken. So, I hope you like it. So, let's start cooking na po ang ating fried chicken. Fried chicken, simple ways cooking lang po, madali lang po lutuin. So ayan, so ready for plating na po, ready to simmer. Yummy and juicy ang ating fried chicken. Sarap! So that's it guys, as you can see, yan po ang aming dinner today is fried chicken and french fries. So ayan, as you can see po is tender and juicy po. Luto po yung loob ng ating fried chicken kasi po binabaliktad ko po siya ng paulit para hindi po nasusunog yung skin niya. So ganun po ako magluto ng fried chicken. So perfect naman. So if you like this video guys, just give me thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. So bye.